In order to set up the Jockie music bot, you should hit us with a subscribe and then head over to the website, and you are free to click on any of these invite color options. Jockie will then immediately send you to Discord, and from here you just need to select a server. I'll pick this one. Now you just want to give it admin rights. This bot and Discord will have the audacity to ask you if you are human. Even though I am an android, I will manage to pass the test. Now we can see all of Jockie's commands. However, like with any music bot, you need to be in a voice channel to play music. So just right click over there and move down to create a voice channel. Mine is inspired by Randy Orton. So now I will tell Jockie to play Beg by Leon Thomas. And Jockie will immediately get it wrong, but lucky for Jockie, I do like the song. Now, Jockie has a ton of commands all activated with M and exclamation mark and then the command. You can check them out in M!help, or you can head over to their website. Thanks so much for watching and have a good one.